all the way down.
You don't want to taxi too fast, just power out. You don't have to brake, but just power down.
Okay.
Alright, maintain center line, please.
What?
Center line of the taxiway, please. There you go.
Now we just go to the hold short.
I can... Okay.
Okay, good.
Alright.
So, flaps 10?
Yep, flaps 10. Mr. Rich. Landing light on. Alright, get the clearance.
Okay.
Alright, we gotta switch the tower. So hit the green button.
Southwest Kissimmee Airport.
4 miles southwest of Kissimmee Airport, 801 Papa.
Alright.
195 Tango Hotel, ground point 7.
Point 7, 195 Tango Hotel.
Go ahead.
Kissimmee Tower, Skyhawk 5432 Golf, fully 7115, ready for departure.
Number 5432 Golf, Kissimmee Tower, roger.
You said roger.
Yeah, just wait. A little bit of RPM, you don't want to be the engine, you don't want to be running like this.
A little under 1,000, right?
You're gonna run it, yeah, like that right there.
Too much fuel.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Still hot.
Fuck.
With the mask too.
Huh?
With the mask too.
Oh my god. Oh, me with the mask? Yeah, they're making us use that shit.
Too hot.
Holy cow. Brutal.
Did we ask again?
Yeah, link 777, left turn when you can, ground point 7 off runway, good day.
Left when we can, we'll order ground jet like 777 too.
He'll clear you now.
Okay.
Yep, you almost.
Number 5432 Golf, right turn to the west, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Right turn to the west, 5432 Golf, clear for takeoff. So right turn,
Yep.
Okay. At 800 feet, right?
700 feet.
700, okay. Sorry, used to the executive.
Yeah.
Kissimmee Tower, November 195 Tango Hotel is holding short of 15, ready for takeoff.
Rotate.
Number 195 Tango Hotel, Kissimmee Tower, right traffic, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, clear for takeoff, 15, November 195 Tango Hotel.
Pitch the nose down. Yep. You gotta build up that airspeed to about BUI.
75.
So click. Just bring the nose down and hold it. Yep. .300 feet. Flaps up. You're letting the yoke kill you. Just bring it forward. Yep. There you go.
Number 801 Papa Alpha, proceed direct right base, runway 15, you are cleared 2 lane.
Proceed direct to right down in runway 15, we are clear to land, 801
Now right
Papa.
turn westbound.
Number 801 Papa Alpha, direct right base, do not enter the downwind, go direct right base, runway 15, clear to land.
Direct to right base, runway 15, 801 Papa.
When you roll out, you also need to roll out on that rudder.
Okay, sorry.
Right, no, you're fine, man. Just kinda walking you.
195 Tango Hotel, extend upwind.
There you go.
Okay, extending upwind, 195 Tango Hotel.
Climbs at 1300 or
Number 5432 Golf,
Okay.
traffic ahead, a little bit to the right, they're going northeastbound at 1,000 feet of Cessna, about a mile and a half from you.
I got him inside 5432 Golf.
5432 Golf, thank you.
Tower, Saratoga 9er 680 Alpha is ready to go off at 15.
Cessna 195
The left
Tango
tank keeps-
Hotel,
keeps showing that it's
make
low.
right
That's
traffic.
okay.
Okay.
Man, we saw that it was almost full.
Yeah, that's cool. Checked.
9680 Alpha, Kissimmee Tower, initially flight runway heading, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway heading for 9er 680 Alpha.